Hello po, I'm Oliver Nabal, a freshman-based IT student from PUP Manila, and I'm excited to share then how I plan to maximize the DataCamp scholarship. I've always been passionate po about learning new things, especially pagdating sa data science and programming, because I believe these fields po can help solve real-world problems and create opportunities para sa iba. And I plan to dedicate po 10 hours per week to my data camp courses. Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, 2 hours po doon sa about yun, from 7 to 9 p.m. Pagdating naman Sunday, 4 hours in the afternoon po, 1 to 5 p.m. And I've also set backup stats naman on Monday in case something unexpected comes up during the week po. Since sa schedule ko po, wala naman po akong pasok every Monday and every Thursday. I'll make sure these hours are consistent po to stay on track with my goals, and I'll be studying at my home po dito sa Bacoor, Cavite. Meron naman po akong personal desk setup and it's simple but comfortable naman with my laptop, notebook, and noise cancelling earphones. So, minimal naman yung mga distractions dito, kaya naman siyang malesen pa. And pagdating naman sa ano po sa pagdating sa pag-monitor ko, I'll use digital planner lang din, like keep notes. For example, I list down po the courses I plan to take, like data manipulation and machine learning fundamentals. And then take them up as I complete each module po. Pagdating naman sa pwede ko i-gamit yung mga Google Calendar para ma-remind po ako sa kung ano nga ba yung mga aaralin ko at mga naaral ko na. And I think ito yung magiging first big step ko toward becoming a data science innovator. And thank you for this opportunity po. And I'm ready to make the most of this scholarship.